Hi, my name's Eleni and I'm from Yoga Hari Healing and I'm a yoga teacher based in Melbourne. In May, I'll be travelling to Sydney to Yoga Kula in Taramara to run Yoga Quest, which is a yoga meditation and philosophy workshop based on classical tantra yoga practices and teachings. And I want to invite you along to explore these beautiful ancient teachings with me. So what I love about classical tantra philosophy is how applicable it is to everyday life, particularly how to work with and view the mind. Classical tantra philosophy deeply reveres Shakti, or the feminine face of spirit. Goddess practices is a central practice in this tradition. In Yoga Quest, we'll be focusing on Goddess Kali. She's a demon slayer, she's a warrior goddess, and we invoke her energy to help us break through karmic limitations, to help us transform our consciousness so that we experience ourselves beyond body, mind and our ego, and essentially have an experience of our true nature, which is one of formless spirit. So now I want to take you through this beautiful invocational mantra of Goddess Kali. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Swaha. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Swaha. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Swaha. If you're a yoga student or if you're a yoga teacher that wants to deepen your understanding of classical tantra philosophy and practices, then join me at this workshop in May. If you want a booking for the workshop, you can visit the Yoga Kula website. Look forward to sharing these practices with you. Namaste.
Taking part in Yoga Quest was a great experience for me.
I was able to really gain a lot of insight into what it means to accept all parts of me.
A really great way to just sort of reconnect with your true self.
It's given me a lot more self-trust, less self-doubt.
Incredible combination of both theory and yoga practice.
It was great to deep dive into the philosophies and the teachings of classical tantra.
I didn't want it to end. I absolutely loved it.